I'm the Legless Lamb and I'm here with Woody Ovens in the heart of Snowdonia cooking up some of my favourite dishes. And the first dish of the day is a Welsh rack of lamb with a Romesco sauce. It's going to be banging. So we're just going to half an onion, pop it in a cast iron with a couple of peppers, tomato, and a couple of chunks of garlic and a light splash of olive oil. A little bit of salt, and we're going to bung that in the Woody oven, get it all nice and charred to make a sauce. So the onions are nice and charred, the peppers are where I want them, they're nice and black. So in order to make it a Romesco, it has to have almonds. If it hasn't got almonds, it's not a Romesco. Believe me, because obviously a Welshman knows how to make a Romesco. So whilst they cool down, I'm going to peel the peppers, tomatoes, garlic and onion. So usually we chuck all this in a blender, but obviously we're in the heart of Wales, no electric, so I'm going to do it all in my trusty pestle and mortar. So obviously if you're at home, you can still do it in a pestle and mortar. It does add a bit more texture, but if you're feeling lazy, you can always use a blender as well. So that's all done. I'm just going to add salt and pepper, a little bit of vinegar and just a dash of sumac. We've got our lovely Welsh rack of lamb here. And we're going to pop our cast iron into the oven just whilst we season this to get it nice and hot. I'm going to oil up all the outside of the lamb and then hit it with salt and pepper. Just going to pop some wood down so we don't scorch our chopping board. Just going to pop a touch of oil in to help it on its way. Just trying to get as much contact with the pan as I can. Try and render the fat down a little bit. And as soon as we hear the pan stop sizzling, it's going straight into the oven. So now that we've got the fat rendered, I'm just going to flip it over, turn the oven right down, pop the door on, and we're going to cook it right through just like we would a conventional oven. So we've got our hand ground Romesco sauce. Just make like a nice bed for the lamb. Little drizzle of olive oil. And then for our lamb, that is, for me anyway, that's perfect. Medium rare, fat's all rendered, no white fat, perfect. So what we're going to do is slice these up into nice bite-sized lollipops. Touch of olive oil. Just chopping up some mint and parsley. Shit. The problem with cooking outside is you never know where the wind's going to come from. So we've got some mint and parsley on top, Romesco sauce on the bottom. Perfect.